Welcome to today's video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel, where creativity, woodworking, and beautiful home decor come together. In today's inspiring project, we are exploring 2026 abstract wall art modern trends and styling ideas for your home. If you are a woodworker, DIY creator, furniture maker, or simply someone who loves transforming simple materials into beautiful decorative pieces, this video is for you. Abstract wall art is one of the most exciting ways to bring personality, texture, warmth, and modern character into an interior. The wonderful thing about creating abstract wooden wall art is that you do not always need expensive materials or complicated equipment. With carefully selected wood pieces, imagination, basic woodworking skills, and a willingness to experiment, you can create artwork that looks sophisticated, artistic, and completely unique. Today, we are going to explore how modern abstract design can inspire your woodworking projects, how different shapes and textures can be combined, how natural wood can become the main artistic element, and how you can style your finished pieces beautifully in different rooms of your home. So take your creativity, prepare your workshop, and let's begin this exciting journey into the world of modern abstract wooden wall art. Abstract wall art has become an important part of contemporary interior design because it allows homeowners to express personality without depending on traditional pictures or predictable decorations. Instead of showing a specific landscape, person, or object, abstract art focuses on shapes, movement, balance, texture, contrast, and emotion. For woodworkers, this creates almost unlimited possibilities. A simple piece of timber can become a geometric sculpture, a layered composition, a textured panel, or a dramatic three-dimensional wall feature. In 2026, modern interiors continue to appreciate designs that feel personal, handmade, natural, and visually interesting. This makes wooden abstract wall art especially attractive because it combines the warmth of natural materials with the clean appearance of contemporary design. Wood can soften a minimalist room, add warmth to an industrial space, create contrast against a plain wall, or become the main focal point in a living room. The beauty of handmade abstract art is that there is no single correct design. You can create something symmetrical or completely irregular, smooth or heavily textured, monochromatic or colorful, depending on the atmosphere you want to create. One of the most inspiring approaches for woodworkers is to experiment with geometric abstract designs. Geometric art uses circles, rectangles, triangles, arcs, squares, lines, and irregular shapes to create visual movement. You can begin with a flat wooden backing and attach smaller pieces of wood at different angles to create a layered composition. Some sections can project farther from the surface, while others remain close to the background, creating shadows and depth. This three-dimensional effect can make a relatively simple project look like a professional art installation. The key is to think about proportion and balance rather than trying to make every section identical. You can arrange wooden blocks in a flowing pattern, create overlapping rectangles, or combine curved pieces with straight edges. Even leftover pieces from other woodworking projects can become valuable materials for this type of artwork. Instead of throwing away short boards and small offcuts, you can save them and transform them into something decorative and valuable. Another modern trend is the combination of natural wood tones. Instead of painting every piece, consider allowing the natural character of the wood to become part of the artwork. Different species and finishes can provide beautiful variations in color, grain, and texture. Light wood can be combined with medium and darker tones to create contrast without introducing bright colors. Sanded surfaces can sit next to rough or reclaimed surfaces, producing an interesting conversation between refined and natural textures. A design made from several wood tones can look warm and elegant against a white, cream, gray, beige, or softly colored wall. For a more contemporary appearance, you can use one dominant wood color and introduce a small amount of darker material as an accent. This restrained approach can create an expensive-looking result while keeping the project relatively simple. Texture is another powerful element in modern abstract wall art. A completely flat wooden surface can look beautiful, but adding texture gives the artwork a stronger physical presence. Woodworkers can explore carving, routing, grooves, overlapping strips, raised blocks, burned details, or carefully arranged wood grain. Imagine a large wall panel where dozens of narrow wooden strips create a flowing wave across the surface. As light moves across the grooves and raised areas, the shadows change throughout the day, making the artwork feel alive. Another possibility is to create repeated vertical or diagonal grooves that form an abstract pattern. These grooves do not need to represent anything specific. Their purpose is to create rhythm and visual interest. You can also combine smooth, sanded sections with naturally rough areas, giving the artwork a tactile quality that invites viewers to look more closely. For woodworkers interested in sustainable design, reclaimed wood can be an excellent material for abstract wall art. Old boards, leftover furniture pieces, weathered timber, and workshop scraps can all provide unique surfaces. The imperfections of reclaimed wood can actually become part of the artistic character. Small cracks, nail holes, faded finishes, and variations in grain can make each piece different. Before using reclaimed wood, however, make sure it is clean, structurally sound, and suitable for your project. Once prepared, these pieces can be arranged into a modern composition that combines history with contemporary design. This is especially attractive for rustic modern interiors, where homeowners want natural materials, but also appreciate clean and sophisticated styling. A reclaimed wood abstract panel can become a statement piece above a sofa, bed, console table, or dining area. Another exciting direction for 2026 inspired abstract design is the use of curved forms. Straight lines and sharp geometric shapes are always useful, but curves can introduce softness and movement. You can create semicircles, arches, waves, rounded blocks, or flowing cutouts. A composition made from overlapping curved wooden forms can create the feeling of movement across the wall. Curved designs are particularly effective in rooms containing furniture with rounded edges, circular mirrors, curved sofas, or soft lighting. You can emphasize the curves by using different wood tones or by slightly changing the depth of each piece. When light falls across the surface, the curves create gentle shadows that enhance the artistic effect. Color can also play an important role in abstract wooden wall art. While natural wood is beautiful on its own, carefully selected paint colors can transform a project completely. Modern interiors often benefit from calm and sophisticated color combinations rather than overwhelming decoration. You might combine warm, neutral tones with black accents, earthy colors with natural wood, or soft, muted shades with a darker background. If you prefer a more dramatic piece, a few stronger accent colors can be used against a neutral base. The important thing is to maintain visual balance. You do not need to paint every part of the artwork. Leaving some wood exposed allows the grain to remain visible and creates a connection between the natural material and the painted elements. A particularly attractive idea for woodworkers is the creation of large statement panels. Instead of making several small decorations, consider creating one impressive piece that dominates a wall. Large abstract art can make a room feel intentional and professionally designed. The panel could consist of multiple wooden sections assembled together, creating a continuous composition. This approach works especially well above a long sofa or a wide console. The artwork should be proportional to the wall and surrounding furniture so that it feels integrated rather than randomly placed. A large panel with simple shapes and natural finishes can become a calm focal point, while a highly textured design can create a dramatic centerpiece. For smaller homes, compact abstract wall art can be equally effective. A small wooden sculpture does not need to occupy an entire wall to make an impact. A carefully designed piece above a side table, near an entrance, beside a bookshelf, or in a small hallway can introduce character without making the space feel crowded. Small pieces are also excellent projects for woodworkers who want to experiment with new techniques before attempting larger designs. You can test different stains, textures, shapes, and finishes on a small panel, and then use what you learn for a larger project. Another creative concept is modular abstract art. Instead of building one permanent composition, create several separate wooden panels that can be arranged together or displayed individually. Each panel can have its own texture and pattern while sharing a common color palette or material. When placed together, the pieces form a larger artistic composition. This gives homeowners flexibility because the artwork can be rearranged when they change their furniture or room layout. For makers, modular designs can also be easier to transport, package, and sell than one extremely large piece. Lighting should never be overlooked when styling abstract wall art. A beautifully crafted wooden piece can look completely different depending on the lighting around it. Soft wall lighting can emphasize texture and create attractive shadows. Directional lighting from above can highlight raised surfaces, grooves, and carved details. Natural daylight can reveal the variation in wood grain and finish. If you are designing a statement piece for a particular room, think about where the light will come from before finalizing the depth and texture. Three-dimensional artwork becomes especially interesting when the lighting changes throughout the day. Abstract wooden wall art can also be designed specifically for different rooms. In the living room, a large statement panel above the sofa can become the main focal point. In a bedroom, softer shapes and warm wood tones can create a relaxing atmosphere. In a home office, geometric designs can provide visual energy without distracting from the workspace. In a dining area, natural wood textures can complement a wooden table and create a cohesive environment. In an entryway, a smaller sculptural piece can make the first impression of the home feel welcoming and artistic. The same woodworking techniques can therefore be adapted to many different interior styles. For woodworkers who want to turn their creativity into a small business, abstract wall art can also offer interesting opportunities. Handmade artwork has a personal quality that mass-produced decorations often cannot reproduce. Customers may appreciate the fact that every piece has different grain patterns, handmade details, and subtle variations. You can experiment with several sizes and styles while developing a recognizable artistic identity. Perhaps your signature could be layered geometric wood, curved natural forms, reclaimed timber compositions, or textured monochromatic panels. Over time, a consistent style can help people recognize your work. When making abstract wall art, remember that perfection is not always the goal. One of the most beautiful aspects of handmade design is individuality. A small variation in the grain, an unexpected knot, or a slightly different shape can make the artwork feel authentic. Of course, accurate cutting and safe construction are important, but the final composition does not need to look machine-produced. Let your creativity guide you. Try arranging pieces on your workbench before permanently attaching them. Step back from the design and look at it from different distances. Sometimes a composition that looks confusing up close becomes beautiful when viewed from across the room. Finishing is another stage where your artistic decisions become visible. You can choose a natural oil, clear protective finish, matte coating, or another appropriate wood finish depending on the material and desired appearance. A matte finish can maintain a modern, understated look, while a slightly richer finish can emphasize the grain. If your project includes painted sections, consider how the painted and natural surfaces interact. The goal is to create a unified artwork rather than several unrelated pieces attached together. Take your time during sanding and finishing, because these small details can dramatically improve the final appearance. The mounting system should also be considered carefully, especially for large or heavy wooden art. A beautiful project needs to be securely attached to the wall using a mounting method appropriate for its weight and wall type. When creating pieces for customers, make sure the installation instructions are clear and that the finished artwork is practical as well as attractive. A well-designed hanging system also makes the artwork look cleaner because unnecessary hardware remains hidden. The most exciting part of modern abstract wall art is that there are endless possibilities. You can combine woodworking with sculpture, painting, carving, burning, layering, and reclaimed materials. You can create minimalist artwork with only a few shapes or dramatic compositions containing dozens of individual pieces. You can focus on natural wood or introduce subtle color. You can create symmetrical patterns or organic forms inspired by nature. The important thing is to explore, experiment, and develop your own creative language. As we look at 2026 abstract wall art modern trends and styling ideas for your home, the biggest inspiration is not simply following a trend, but using modern ideas to create something personal. Natural materials, handcrafted details, three-dimensional surfaces, organic shapes, geometric compositions, sustainable materials, and thoughtful neutral palettes can all contribute to a contemporary look. But your own creativity is what turns these materials into art. A simple scrap of wood has almost no visual value until someone imagines what it could become. That is where the skill and imagination of the woodworker make the difference. Whether you are an experienced craftsman or just beginning your woodworking journey, abstract wall art gives you an opportunity to practice your skills while creating something beautiful for the home. Start with simple compositions, experiment with small pieces, and gradually explore more ambitious designs. Do not be afraid to make mistakes because many creative discoveries happen during experimentation. Arrange, remove, rotate, cut, sand, combine, and rearrange until the composition feels right. Your workshop can become a place where ordinary pieces of timber are transformed into artistic statements. Thank you so much for joining me today as we explored 2026 abstract wall art modern trends and styling ideas for your home. I hope these ideas have inspired you to look at wood in a completely new way and imagine how simple materials can become beautiful modern artwork. Whether you choose natural wood, reclaimed timber, geometric shapes, organic curves, layered textures, or a combination of different techniques, remember that your creativity is the most important material in the workshop. If you enjoyed this video and found these woodworking and home decor ideas inspiring, please support the channel by giving this video a like, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with other woodworkers and DIY lovers. I would also love to hear from you in the comments about which abstract wooden wall art idea you would like to create in your own workshop. Thank you for watching. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep turning simple pieces of wood into something beautiful for your home. I'll see you in the next woodworking and home decor video.